This one's for all the thyroid people. Say you went and got your blood check done, and then your thyroid is all over the place. This is the first thing I would really want you to know. Understand what is TSH, T3, and T4. TSH is thyroid stimulating hormone, is released by your brain, which is going to basically tell your thyroid, bro, release more thyroid hormone. Because all your thyroid hormones are your body's metabolic center. I'll tell you what it is next. Now, once the TSH is telling your thyroid to release hormones, the thyroid will release T4, which is an inactive hormone. This doesn't do anything in the body. T4 has to get converted into T3, which is the active form, for every function that it is supposed to do. T4 gets converted into T3 in your liver, in your gut, and your tissues. The problem is that T4 is not efficiently being converted into T3. That is when your brain and body are like, oh, enough T3 is not being produced, so let me produce more TSH. This way, the body will at least compensate for the T3 which is not being produced. Why is this conversion not happening? It's because of the lifestyle dysfunction we are having. It can also be the other way around, where T4 is not being produced. That is completely different. 90% of the people who are experiencing thyroid symptoms nowadays is because of the lifestyle dysfunction you are facing. Now you need to understand what thyroid really does. It literally decides everything that is going to happen in your body: how much energy is produced, how much energy is spent, what your metabolism is, how temperature regulation happens, what your hair and skin look like, what your mood, what your digestion, what your gut health, what your reproductive health. All of these depend upon how your thyroid is. Also, it's the other way around. Your gut health, your reproductive health, your mood, all of this affect thyroid too. Your sleep, your stress, your overfeeding but under eating lifestyle. What does it do? It gives you symptoms like brain fog, hair fall, gaining weight consistently, constantly bloated, emotionally drained, having irregular cycles, and no matter how much you sleep, you are very, very low on energy. What do? Fix that stress, because cortisol is affecting how much transition of T4 is happening to T3. Next, fix your sleep cycle, because if you're not sleeping right, you're affecting your appetite. If you're not feeling hungry, you're not eating the right kind of food. If you're not eating the right kind of food, you don't get the right kind of nutrients that are required to convert T4 into T3. And what are these? Iron, selenium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, protein, and magnesium. Apart from this, one other common reason that we are seeing thyroid right now is because of hormonal imbalances in women. Your PCOD, PCOS, PMOS, whatever you want to call it, which is again a lifestyle dysfunction. What happens is, when you have a irregular cycle like that, you're mostly prescribed OCPs, which I've already made a post on. You should go check it out. So when you take these pills for a longer time, these pills also use up the same nutrients which are required to convert T4 to T3. And when you already are not eating enough of these nutrients, plus your body is already consuming all the nutrients, obviously the conversion will not happen. That's when you have a thyroid dysfunction.